Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. PM Modi's Independence Day addresses. Modi Independence Day addresses sparks controversy with demographic remark while highlighting the national security and self-reliance and economic reforms. Comes under GS2 polity and GS3 internal security. High-power demography mission was announced to address perceived demographic alteration. Operation Sindoor showcased India's defense capabilities and indigenous weaponry. Mission Sudarshana Chakra and indigenous defense systems will be deployed by 2035. Next generation GST reform will be rolled out by Deepavali 2025. Mission Sudarshana Chakra. It's a bold new national defense initiative unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his Independence Day address in 2025. This strategic program is designed to establish an advanced multi-layered aerial defense shield akin to Israel's Iron Dome and America's Golden Dome to protect India's critical infrastructure and citizens. Features details were Gold, build comprehensive aerial cyber defense shield. Core capabilities were surveillance, cyber defense precision, intercept and strike system. Technology employed were entirely indigenous under Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Strategic rationale: enhance national security, reduces foreign dependency. Strategic significance of Mission Sudarshan Chakra. Transformational shift represents a transformational shift in India's defense posture from reactive to proactive. Technology fusion embodies a fusion of modern warfare tech, AI-enabled surveillance, cyber surveillance and precision weaponry. Symbolic power, symbolically powerful, leveraging cultural heritage to rally the national pride and confidence in Indian defense future. Supreme Court directs Election Commission of Bihar voters. Supreme Court directs election commissions to publish list of 65 lakhs excluded Bihar voters with reasons ensuring transparency and voter rights. Key points of Supreme Court directives. Supreme Court directed Election Commission to publish a list of approximately 65 lakh excluded voters from draft electoral roll in Bihar. The court emphasized the importance of transparency and voters' right to know reason for deletion from electoral roll. The list must include individual reasons for exclusion such as death, migration and addressability. Special intensive revision. In Election Commission of India's framework, special intensive revision refers to comprehensive door-to-door and record-based revision of electoral rolls. Key points of special incentive revision were: correct the errors in electoral rolls, add the names of eligible voters not already enrolled, process include house-to-house verification by booth level officers, legal basis conducted under Section 21 of Representation of People Act 1950, rules prescribed in the Registration of Electoral Rules 1960. Governors' action sparked controversy. Governors' action in Tamil Nadu and Kerala sparked controversy, challenging Supreme Court's directives and raising questions about their role in state university. Comes under GS2 polity and governance. Key points of controversy. Supreme Court has ensured Tamil Nadu governor for obstructing bills passed by state legislature. Governor R. Ravi referred Kalaignar University bill to President instead of accepting to it. State-owned universities have become a major point of conflict between governors and state government. Presentation of bill. A bill by state legislature or both houses if bicameral is presented to the governor for assent. Governor option where can give assent, withhold assent, return the bill, so the bill for president's consideration. Water hazardity invasion in Kerala. Water hazardity invasion threatens Kerala's ecosystem, livelihood, call for national policy and innovation. Key points on water hazardity invasion. Is an invasive aquatic plant that threatens India's waterway, especially in Kerala, Vemanadu. Approximately 2 lakh hectares of inland waters in India are affected by weed. Innovative solutions include water hazardity for handicrafts, paper and biogas, but these efforts need scaling up. Scientific name Echinoria crassipes, origin native to Amazon basin, South America, introduced in India late 19th century as ornamental plant. Please practice this mark question. Thank you.